In the ever-evolving landscape of business, one challenge stands out among the rest: securing the funding needed to fuel growth and innovation. Today, more than ever, business owners face a maze of hurdles when trying to access capital. Whether you are a brand new startup company or an established business with strong revenues and stable cash flow, it is getting harder and harder to acquire funding.
Banks seem reluctant to lend to a small business like mine. I didn't even know where to start.
The traditional loan application process was so overwhelming. If I knew what the bank wanted and needed to see, I wouldn't have started my business. I would have been a banker.
It seemed like every single time I tried to get a loan or funding to help me expand my business, I would be turned down. And each and every time was a different reason. I was about to give up altogether, but I'm glad I didn't.
Now, what if there was a way to simplify the complex, to turn these challenges into opportunities? Introducing the FundUp Business Credit Builder by Upyugo, your comprehensive solution for positioning your business to acquire the funding it deserves. With cutting-edge technology, our Business Credit Builder streamlines the entire journey, making it easier than ever before. Say goodbye to the hours spent buried in paperwork and hello to a streamlined approval process. Our intuitive platform guides you through the financial and compliance intricacies, helping you gather, organize, and present your business to lenders in a compliant and fundable position. Join the ranks of business owners who have successfully unlocked the potential of their enterprises with our FundUp system. Witness their triumphs as they go from frustration to funding success. Don't let the challenges of today's financial landscape hold you back. Empower your business with the tools it deserves. Discover the difference that FundUp can make. Start your journey toward funding success today.